everyone has their own way of thinking about how to structure a team. And for all of you that lead RGM teams, I imagine you've gone through some version of this yourselves. This was the work that I went through. And to me, there's three kinds of ways or three kinds of operating models you can stand up. On the left, there's the fully centralized. It's a distinct RGM team separate from your business units that provide service and guidance. I would argue that this is typically how most of us start, right? It's the best way to build initial RGM expertise. You create dedicated resources, dedicated partly to driving company-wide initiatives, installing capabilities, installing analytics, installing process changes, and so forth. However, it's least connected to the business units. And so I would imagine you all felt, as I felt when we were in this stage, push from your businesses on, I want more category centricity. I want you to know the business more. I want more of your time. What you bring me doesn't exactly fit what I'm doing today. Therefore, I won't adopt all of those things.